In today's video, I'll show you how to find IP address on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first what you have to do is just go to your search and search for terminal or search for command prompt, whatever. Then just click on open. Then after this opens, what you have to do is in here type for IP config and hit enter. Again, it is IP config, all together, no spaces. Then just hit enter. And after that, it's gonna throw at you bunch of numbers and text. So just find your Wi-Fi adapter if you're using Wi-Fi. I'm using an Ethernet adapter, so I'll find my Ethernet adapter over here. As you can see, it's this one. And as you can see, there's an IPv4 address. This is my IP address of my device on my local network. That means my router has assigned my computer this IP address. So this is basically the IP address on my personal network. But if I want to see my IP address on a public network, which is my public IP address, I just have to type this command, which is curl icanhazip.com. Again, it's curl, C-U-R-L, space, icanhazip.com, C-O-M. Hit enter. Then it's gonna throw at you, just select yes. And there you go. It's gonna throw at you your public IP address. And that basically is it. And that's your public IP address, and the top IPv4 one is your private IP address. And basically, that is how to find IP addresses on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.